second question is a p-type semiconductor. It's available. It's a thermal equilibrium, and it's have a whole concentration of 10 power 18 per centimeter cube, and intrinsic carrier concentration. So and the 10 power 10 centimeter per centimeter cube, lifetime, everything is given as it, right? So now what I say, so they have asked about the recombination rate for an excess electron concentration. So how can I say recombination? How can I say recombination rate means I just say R N naught, that should be equal to N naught divided by tau N naught. Okay, so this is the recombination rate. So now I just go for the calculation. Okay, now I just go for a calculation, and what's the calculation says? You have N naught. First you just go for N naught is equal to the formula Ni square. Don't forget the formula Ni square divided by P naught. So what is the Ni square? So you know Ni square is look at this, 10 power 2. Okay, so Ni square, that is equal to 10 power 10. So that is given over here. So this intrinsic carrier, I told you N means carrier concentration, 10 power 10, and divided by what's the P naught? The P naught, it represents, you just have the 10 power 18, it is given there, is it right? So for whole concentration, so it is equal to 10 power, and you have to make, I'm so sorry, just make it as whole square, is it right? So 10 power 20 by 10 power 18, so 10 power, just right here, 10 power 20 by 10 power 18, so you make answer 10 square per centimeter cube, that is why per centimeter cube. Okay, and then afterwards you can just go for R, the rate of change, R N naught is equal to, what do you have, you know, from this formula, what is N naught? N naught is equal to 10 power 2, because 10 power 2 it is given over here. Okay, and say divided by, you got it as right, 10 power 2 is given, and it is divided by 2 into. So how we just say 2 means, because it is minority carrier lifetime, it is 2 in 10 power minus 7, that is given as a right. So that is a T N naught, tau N naught, 10 power minus 7. So if you just do the calculation, you will get 5 into 10 to the power 8 per centimeter cube. Okay, for minus 1 also. So this is for what? As normal. For excess I have to calculate, because here excess electron. So that's why for the same formula, or N naught is equal to, for excess means what? The same 10 power, here 10 power 2 is it right, for normal, for 10 power 2 normal, but for excess they are given as 10 power 12. So automatically it is given 10 power 12 divided by, so the normal 2 into 10 power. So you know the 2 into this one, you have to take 2 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, so if you just do the calculation, you get 5 into 10 to the power 18 centimeter per centimeter cube second. Okay, so when you compare these two values, okay, so automatically the excess dominates. So excess dominates means what? I just get the answer 5 into 10 power 18. That you have to just make a tick mark over there. Okay, thank you all. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. It's a simple one. Thank you.